baby wheelbarrow.
Has another ball to do.
What ball? This one. Okay.
I think that's the wrong one.
It can't be the wrong one. I said baby torn into a real baby, and it says it.
Okay. This is right in the mouth.
There we go. Is it working? He's a real baby! Does it look like the baby's getting bigger?
I knew it was going to be the wrong bottle. Let's get out of here! Whoa!
Guys, we made the antidote. We gotta turn that baby back to a human again with the special antidote bullets we have in the Nerf guns right now, and we in war. I think he's in here.
Baby, sleepy. Baby, go back to bed. Baby, go back to bed.